to the content, I would like to tell a short story. A story about two person, one student, Mr. Urgen. He's a student, he's currently studying BBA at Liberty College, and Mr. Robin, who happens to be an economics lecturer at Phoenix College of Management. So when Urgen first came in Kathmandu, he went to the college, and when he was doing his studies, he came to find out he needed books. So he asked his colleagues for the first time, and he came to know that the books were found in either in Bagbazar or in the Botaiti location. Similarly, Mr. Robin, who happens to be an economics lecturer, was in need of reference books, who then again went to his colleagues and asked for where he could find the books. So his colleagues recommended the same. So when they went for the first time in Botaiti and Bagbazar, can you imagine how they felt? So they were petrified to see that the area was full of hassles that were ahead of us. So talking about the hassles, say the crowded place, I think everyone of us here know about the Botaiti. So the crowded place. Similarly, while going from store to store, it was really time consuming and bargaining with the customer. So they were very, very sad, and they returned back home and thought, what could be the solution to this problem? So when they searched online, they found out that the solution was House of Books. So House of Books is basically an e-commerce platform that provides a wide varieties of books at a very reasonable cost. When we say books, we are not just saying about novels only. We are telling about course books, question banks, solution sets, exam preparation books, medical exam preparation books, as well as Nepali and English novels and literatures. But wait, we have got something new as well. So introducing for the first time in Nepal, a completely digital based C2C based online second-hand book platform that allows the book seekers to buy books and the booksellers to sell their books. Talking about the market size, so currently, according to the Education at Glance published in 2016, it stated that we have got around 12 lakh students currently studying in +2 and above. So basically, we calculate that around 10,000 average they spend on books, around 12 crore of the market size. So which, according to the House of Books market potentiality, we only guessed about 5%. So it's around 60 lakh, and we have projected by 2022, so we'll reach about the 30% of the market potential, which is 18 lakh. So I think everyone must be very interested to know about our achievements so far. So while carrying out the business operation for 6 months, so we have successfully been able to list around 1,500 plus books in our website. So we have partnered with around 20 plus publications. So we have listed around 500 plus second-hand book in our website, 100 plus registered users, 10 plus partner courier service, 15 average orders per day, 3 tied up digital payments such as eSeva, Khalti and PhonePe, and we are delivering 75 districts all over Nepal with the help of different courier services. So basically talking about our achievement, our revenue till month, so we have like a monthly revenue of rupees 80,000 at the moment. So we are growing day by day with the 15% month over growth. Similarly, we have got around 20 plus paying customers at the moment. So talking about our CSR, since we all belong from socially background, our founders, so we are partnering with different clubs in order to release our program, which is known as Shiksha, Pragatishiil or Shikshit Nepal, under which we are planning for 2 different kinds of projects, community school library project and education material distribution project, among which one of the project we have initially started and it's going to happen soon. So because of the COVID, the project was stopped, but it's going to happen after the year now. Similarly, our business model is broadly categorized in 3, B2B, B2C and C2C. B2B, we are dealing with schools and colleges. We are providing books, not just in Kathmandu, all over the district. We are making sure they get the books at a reasonable price at a reasonable time. Similarly, B2C, students and teachers, and lastly C2C, the book buyers and booksellers. So our partner publications, these are our partner publications. Similarly, we are also listed in Daraz as well. So in order to expand our business horizon, we have been listed in Daraz as well. So our team, so we are a team of 5. Our office is located in Songmul, a small office space. So me myself as the managing director, Dipesh as CEO, Hemant as chief financial officer is there. Abhishek, who happens to be the developer of our product, chief technology officer, and Tilak as a chief operational officer. So we are currently looking for an investment in order to expand our business. So we are enhancing our product. So we are looking for this investment in order for the marketing growth, new features development, as well as the operation cost. So with this investment, we'll be able to grow our business to a new potential level. So if you feel you are the one that could help us to grow our business, we look forward to be in contact with you soon. So you can contact us in the following address. And last, I would like to say book can get old and dusty, but the knowledge inside it is always going to be the fresh for someone who is reading it the first time. Thank you so much.